How to set up Asana for Project Management 2025. In this video, we're going to be talking about Asana and how you're going to be setting up this amazing project management software for yourself right away. So, to start things off, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to asana.com and click on Get Started. Now, the sign up process is totally free. They won't require a credit card from you or anything like that. Just go ahead and add in your email address. Okay. Once you've added in your email address, you're simply going to click on continue. And once you have done that, you're obviously going to go ahead and click on sign with email, or you can even sign with Google if that is what you want. Now, once you have done that, what you're going to be doing is you're simply going to wait for the 6 digit code to arrive. And when the 6 digit code reaches your email, what you're simply going to be doing from there is adding it over here. So my email gave me 4546875. Now, once we've added that over here, what Asana is simply going to be doing is it's going to take us through to the onboarding. So we're simply going to wait for it to do that for us. It might also give you the pricings to show you the bigger plans that you can actually set up for yourself. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to add our name, and you're going to set up a strong password for yourself. And once we've done that, click on continue. What's your role? You can go with any role that you want. I'm going to go with director. Which function best describes your work? Let's go with engineering. And what do you want to use Asana for? So I'm going to go with project management. And once we do that, we're going to click on continue. You can simply skip these belongings over here. It's going to ask you the layout you want. Is it a list, board, timeline, or calendar? Let's go with list for now and click on continue. Now, once all of that is done, you're simply going to be taken into Asana's main dashboard. Now, once you're into Asana's main dashboard, this is where the work starts. Now, to set yourself up, what you can simply do over here is go over to your project section, click on this plus icon, click on new project. Now, you can either start it a totally blank project, or you can choose a template from their template library. And this is usually what I recommend to most users because their templates are extremely incredible, really easy to get an idea of, and it starts you off right away. So we have this cross-functional project plan. You click on use template, click on create project, and as you can see, it's going to get you started right away with a brand new template. And that is how you're going to set yourself on Asana in the easiest way. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.